This is the best fried chicken you'll ever have. Stay tuned to see how I got this chicken to be so good. Hey, back again with another video. Today we're making the best fried chicken you'll ever have. Starting out with a few ingredients: pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and all-purpose chicken seasoning. You need to grab 2 bowls, one for your chicken, one for your flour, some canola oil, some flour, and some mustard. You want to get you a thermometer so you can check the temperature of your oil and your chicken. Also, you need to grab a wooden utensil such as a spatula or some type so you can test out to see if your oil is hot if you don't have a thermometer. You want to grab 2 sets of tongs, and you want to grab a measuring cup, a fork and a spoon, and of course you want to grab some chicken and clean it well before you get started and pat it dry. Let's go. All the ingredients will be in the description below. You want to add some garlic powder, just a tablespoon. You want to add some paprika, just a tablespoon. You want to add some all-purpose chicken seasoning, just a tablespoon. And then you want to add your other set of wings and just mix it all together. I did 40 wings right now. I'm just mixing them all together in different batches. Then you want to add your mustard. After I added my mustard, then I added my tablespoon of pepper. So we're going to repeat the same steps with the flour. Get your all-purpose flour. Pour in 1.5 cups of flour. Then you want to add a tablespoon of garlic powder. Boom. Then you want to add a tablespoon of paprika. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of the chicken seasoning. Okay. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of pepper. Mix that all together with a fork. Using a fork makes it better. After that, you want to get your lineup ready. You want to do chicken, seasoning, grease, pan. Okay. So after that, you want to get your grease hot. You want to get your grease or your oil up to 360. 360. We're going to get it all the way up there. Then you throw your chicken in. You want to cook your chicken for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your heat, depending on your pan, depending on your stove. 8 to 10 minutes on each side. Okay. And if you don't have a thermometer, you can stick the bottom of that wooden utensil you have and see if it bubbles around the oil. Then you know your grease is hot. You want to throw your chicken in and you want to get it up internally to, I like to do 170, but 160 is where it's at. But I like to do 170. And you turn them over to get them as brown as you would like, but just make sure you check that internal temperature first. Also, the reason why I said have 2 sets of tongs is because if you don't have gloves and you're putting your raw chicken in your oil, when you take that chicken out, you want to use the other set of tongs because you don't want to do cross-contamination. So this one is for going in, and then the other ones are for taking it out. But if you have some gloves, go ahead and use that. I'm doing my second batch of chicken right now. I did 40 wings. So you got to do separate batches. It's going to take some time to fry this chicken. Super Bowl's coming up. This is the perfect recipe to do this. Practice it before Super Bowl gets here. And you can have some bomb, crispy, delicious, juicy fried chicken wings. Perfect for any event. Just a heads up, people are going to bug you about making your wings. So just, tell your friends and family about this recipe so they can know it's not that hard to make chicken. Check that internal temperature. Make sure everything looks good. And then you can get ready to take it out. Hopefully the Washington Redskins / the Commanders make it to the Super Bowl. I'm going to make these for the Super Bowl. There's a reason to why I didn't add salt to the flour, because the chicken season already has some. After the chicken comes out the grease, get some salt while the chicken is still hot and sprinkle a little bit on your chicken. Shake it up as you sprinkle it so it can coat evenly. And that is a secret to getting your chicken to be crispy, flavorful, juicy inside. I'm telling you, This is it. Not too much, just a pinch of salt. And it's going to set it off every time. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and share. Leave me a comment if you made this recipe or share it with your family or friends. I burnt my hand doing this for y'all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.